Nakajing don ya kajing tmu ban penslur bat ban Kyntu yaki samla Pule ka right laban Sport Social and Cultural Organization RLSSCO haka arpo nyautare unai lor araja arpusan kala Pynkup Burom yaki samla Pule ki banaka thain South Shillong constituency ki bala wan chakmat haki examen baper. Hakadika sngi layadon lang daw ba prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba ka jela kumukongsan haringkat ka jigadon lang u MLA ka South Shillong constituency uba sanbor sulai ubadai ru president ka organization ki noelam snong ka laban ki principal ki kmeki pa ki samla Pule nolor kiwe. Kibala syapan ke Burom hakadika sngi ki don Haduh saus pa sau pusau Ngut hakabala samru yaki laptop syaki samla Pule ki bawan syakmat nolor ke jingpen ke Burom yaki samla Pule ki bala wan na ki longyeng ki baduna hakayok kakot. Nakaliang uba sanbor sulai ulapen pau bakane kadai kasien ka ba arpuar Kyntu bolapen long yakum kane ka program ban penslor yaki kun samla jong ka constituency bat hakajuk ka por ula Kyntu ru ya barok ki samla Pule bagi dai ban Kiar lai lom lai wa now drugs khnang ban lait na ki Jingsniew baro.
The committee has also categorized few categories, and there will be about 5 to 6 categories where laptop will be given to all the toppers of all the categories. That will be happen after the end of this award. Here you have seen the message of the organization. Look at the left, teacher. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the message of our teachers. Looking at my right side, student. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. And we are also given a message regarding drugs. As a government, we appeal and request to each and every one of you to please come forward and cooperate with the government as to enable us to work as a team, as a family, to eradicate the drugs menace. The drugs trafficking.
Habakran hakadika sngi uba prestun tensong ula banjor baka long ka badan kam ya barok kinong mikman ban bot ya ka nuksa ya ka sien jam jong ka right laban khnang ban Kyntu su ya ka Pule puthi habbarok ka wei ka jela Meghalaya. Nolor kata ulaong ka literacy rate jong ka Meghalaya ka dai tang hapadeng ka khandai puwe bat khandai pu % bat ban penpau haus nam araja arpupra kan hab ban kot syakasis % bat kumta don kam ka Jingsniew ti lang na baro ki liang.
The initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the president, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South constituency. I just asked Sanbor, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examination that we have annually? And he said, Song, the trend is very good, very positive. It keep increasing. 444 students, this is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituency. I don't know my constituency how many hundreds we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps. And if 60 constituencies into by 444, I think you are all expert in calculation. You do it. Within 5 years' time, I think our literacy rate should have been 100%. But I think you are all aware that the literacy rate that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 91, 92% we have. And our target by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Sanwar Shulai for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. I would like to place it on record. Our police force did a tremendous job. We keep doing that and we'll try to do the best. But my sharing with all of you is, let us, all of us, share the responsibility. Few incidents happened, I think within 1 month or maybe 2 months back. There were incidents which ultimately we said, it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of investigation, we found out that it was fake. It's very unfortunate, it was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father, it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children. Being a parent, we need to take this responsibility, and we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others.
Anusha Prasad, Burom Modern High Secondary School, 2nd Division. Babita Kumar. A huge round of applause for Babita Kumar. Bati Dayarisha Palyan, Laban Presbyterian High Secondary School, 2nd. Awardees, please keep on clapping for your co-awardees. It's something that is worked hard for, and they deserve all of your praises for the hard work that they've inculcated in this course. My right. Okay? The name that I'll be calling from now on. Khushi Malakar, Khushi Thakur, Layahonlang Harsawian.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka Kiar ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya